Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can set a stop loss in Bullx. So as you can see that these are all of the new pairs, and if I just click on, let's say, kick this one, and if I try to buy anything like you see market, and if I click on limit, you'll see that this is just the limit at which you'll buy or sell, things like that. So what I recommend you to do is go to actually trading view, click on get started, and then log in. And once you do, I want you to connect your trading view with your Bullx account, because inside trading view, as you guys know, that you can set stop loss, and I'll show that to you just in a moment. So if we go to the market, click on it, and let's say we click on kick and click on this one, whichever one it is. And then what we're going to do is click on trading panel. And for me, Bullx connectivity is not available, but if it's available for you, then I'd suggest you to search for Bullx and connect Bullx with your trading view, because from trading view you can actually set stop loss and things like that. But inside of Bullx there is no direct way to do it. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.